Losing weight, having better blood sugar regulation, and having less inflammation are just a few of the health advantages of fasting. A lot of studies even show that it could also provide defense against some diseases like cancer and neurological illnesses. Fasting has been practiced for many years and is an important part of many cultures and religion. But did you know that there are many various ways to fast? In case you want to know more about the benefits of fasting and which type of fasting is best for you, keep watching, because I'm sure you'll pick up a few tips and tricks by the end of this video. So, what is the difference between intermittent and prolonged fasting? Prolonged fasting can promote weight loss, reduce abdominal fat, and improve blood pressure levels, even in those who are already at a healthy weight. It is not a quick fix for losing weight and should be done consistently, say once a month, to see the physical effects on long-term weight loss. In comparison to brief intermittent fasts, prolonged fasting has the advantage of introducing autophagy, which is the process of cellular renewal. On the other hand, intermittent fasting is popular because it requires less dedication than long-term fasting. It involves alternating between periods of eating and fasting, either within one day or over several days, and therefore can be practiced potentially indefinitely. The fact that it does not restrict what you eat during feasting periods distinguishes it from a conventional diet. There are many types of intermittent fasting, including alternate day fasting, the 5-2, and the 1 meal a day fast. Whatever kind of fasting you choose, the benefits are astounding. If you're still having a hard time believing, then here are 8 benefits you can get by fasting. Number 8. Enables better blood sugar regulation by lowering insulin resistance. In recent decades, type 2 diabetes has increased in prevalence as a diagnosis, which is why it's interesting that intermittent fasting has been demonstrated to significantly improve insulin resistance and cause a striking drop in blood sugar levels. Intermittent fasting has been known to lower fasting blood sugar in persons with pre-diabetes by 3 to 6% over the course of 8 to 12 weeks. The study also revealed that intermittent fasting increases survival rates and provided protection against diabetic retinopathy. In conclusion, those who are at high risk of acquiring type 2 diabetes may greatly benefit from intermittent fasting. Number 7. Promotes better health by fighting inflammation. While acute inflammation is a normal immune process used to help fight off infections, chronic inflammation can have serious consequences for your health. According to research, persistent disease like heart disease, cancer, and rheumatoid arthritis may be brought on by inflammation. According to some studies, fasting can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Intermittent fasting could also significantly lower the C-reactive protein, which is a sign of inflammation. Research also provides that intermittent fasting was more successful at lowering inflammation levels and some risk factors of heart disease. Furthermore, animal research discovered that multiple sclerosis, a chronic inflammatory condition, could be effectively treated by consuming a diet that mimics fasting and is extremely low in calories. Number 6. Improve blood pressure, triglyceride and cholesterol levels, which may improve cardiac health. According to estimates, heart disease causes 31.5% of deaths worldwide, making it the top cause of death. One of the best methods to lower your risk of heart disease is to change your diet and lifestyle. According to some studies, including fasting in your routine may have particular advantages for your heart health. In comparison to a control group, one study found that alternative day fasting could lower total cholesterol levels and several heart disease risk factors in overweight individuals. Another study revealed that alternate day fasting considerably lowered blood pressure, as well as levels of LDL or bad cholesterol, total cholesterol, and blood triglycerides. Moreover, it also found a significant reduction in the chance of diabetes, a major risk factor for heart disease, as well as coronary artery disease when individuals fasted. Number 5. Improve mental performance and stop neurodegenerative diseases. Numerous studies have discovered that fasting might have a significant impact on brain health, even though the majority of studies are conducted on animals. According to a 2013 research in mice, practicing intermittent fasting for 11 months enhanced both brain structure and function. According to other animal research, fasting may help to maintain brain health and increase the production of new nerve cells, both of which can improve cognitive function. Fasting could help avoid neurodegenerative diseases because it may also reduce inflammation. In particular, data indicates that fasting might fend off and even help treat diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Number 4. Helps lose weight by cutting back on calories and increasing metabolism. Many people who are dieting try fasting to lose weight. Theoretically, limiting your intake of all or particular foods or drinks should lower your total calorie intake, which might accelerate your weight loss over time. Short-term fasting may boost metabolism by raising levels of the neurotransmitter norepinephrine, which may facilitate weight loss. In reality, a review found that throughout 12 to 24 weeks, whole-day fasting could significantly lower body fat and reduce body weight by up to 9%. Another study discovered that, compared to ongoing calorie restriction, intermittent fasting was more successful at causing weight loss. Additionally, compared to ongoing calorie restriction, fasting may result in greater reduction in body fat and belly fat. Number 3. Increases the production of growth hormone that is essential for muscle development, metabolism, and strength. A class of protein hormones known as human growth hormone, HGH, is essential to many facets of your health. In fact, studies have found that this important hormone affects muscle development, weight loss, and metabolism. Numerous investigations have revealed that fasting may naturally raise HGH amounts. Specifically, a study involving 9 males discovered that fasting for just 2 days increased the HGH production rate by 5 times. Additionally, some researchers found that insulin can affect the secretion of HGH, so fasting may help keep steady blood sugar and insulin levels throughout the day, which may further optimize levels of HGH. Number 3. Induces various cellular repair processes. When we fast, the cells in our body initiate a cellular waste removal process called autophagy. This entails the breakdown of metabolism of damaged and malfunctioning proteins that accumulate inside cells over time. A rise in autophagy may offer defense against a variety of illnesses, including cancer and neurological conditions like Alzheimer's disease. And since fasting can greatly help in the increase of this process, it's only natural that it is expected to benefit us by enabling our body to repair our cells and keep them as healthy as possible. Number 2. Could promote life longevity. Promising findings on the potential lifespan extending effects of fasting have been found in several studies. In one experiment, rats that fasted had 28% longer lifespans and developed diseases at a later age than rats that had unrestricted access to food. Similar results from other studies have suggested that fasting may be useful in extending life and preventing illness. If we consider these data, I guess it's safe to say that fasting can also prolong human life. However, the majority of recent research has focused on animal experiments. Further studies are needed to understand how fasting may impact longevity and aging in humans, but researchers believe that the results will be positive as well. Number 1. Prevent cancer and enhance the efficiency of chemotherapy. Studies on animals and in culture suggest that fasting may help diagnose, treat, and prevent cancer. A previous study showed that fasting on alternate days prevented the growth of tumours. According to additional studies in test tubes and on animals, fasting may slow the growth of tumours and improve the efficiency of chemotherapy. Unfortunately, most of this data only examines how fasting affects cancer development in cells and animals. Despite this, researchers believe that with more studies, they will be able to specifically discover more benefits from fasting. Before I end, I would like to remind you again that if you are thinking about making serious dietary changes, such as fasting, make sure to consult a healthcare professional. While fasting could be a wise decision for some, it might be harmful to others' health. So ask before you start. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more. See you and stay healthy.